Welcome to tomorrow's classrooms today. Want to add excitement, urgency, or emotion to your writing? In this lesson, we'll master exclamation marks, when to use them, why they matter, and how to make your words pop. Our objectives will follow Bloom's taxonomy, where we will define and recall the function of exclamation marks, explain their purpose, apply them in writing, analyze their necessity in text, evaluate their impact on tone, and creatively use them for effective expression. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to list the common uses of exclamation marks, distinguish between declarative and exclamatory sentences, apply them correctly to express emotion, analyze sentences for exclamatory potential, evaluate their impact on tone, and create narratives that convey excitement, urgency, or emotion. An exclamation mark is a punctuation mark used to express strong emotions, add emphasis, or indicate surprise, appearing at the end of a sentence instead of a full stop or question mark. Providing exclamation marks. First one, insert exclamation marks after shish and expensive. Second, insert exclamation marks after yok and awful. Insert exclamation marks after ouch and hurts. Spotting the exclamation. Sentences 1 and 2 require exclamation as they express strong emotion. Sentence 3 does not require an exclamation mark but requires a full stop as it is a request. Sentence 4 too does not require an exclamation mark but requires a question mark as it is a question. Using the correct end punctuation. First one is a declarative sentence, therefore use a full stop. Second, interrogative, so use a question mark. Third, exclamatory, therefore use an exclamation mark. Fourth, imperative, that is a command, so use an exclamation mark. Exclamation marks are used to express strong emotions, emphasize statements, show surprise, and highlight interjections. Constructing different types of exclamatory sentences using diverse purposes. First one, I am so happy to see you. Second, this is the best day of my life. Third, you got me a gift? Wow. Fourth, oh no, I forgot my keys. Avoid exclamation marks in formal writing. Use them sparingly to maintain impact. And remember that not every strong statement needs one. The overuse of an exclamation mark is like laughing at your own joke. Identifying the punctuation mistakes. Sentences 3 and 4 use exclamation correctly as they express strong emotion. Sentence 1 should not use an exclamation mark as it is a request and a full stop is enough. Likewise, in sentence 2, as it is a statement, a full stop is more appropriate. Spotting the punctuation errors. First one needs an exclamation mark after amazing to express admiration. Second needs an exclamation mark after brilliant to emphasize enthusiasm. Third needs an exclamation mark after yummy to convey delight. Fourth needs an exclamation mark after fantastic to express excitement. Matching emotion with exclamatory sentence. First matches with B, second matches with A, third matches with D, fourth matches with C. Matching exclamation with purpose. 1 matches with B, 2 matches with A, 3 matches with D, 4 matches with C. Comparing exclamatory and declarative sentences. A declarative sentence states a fact, while an exclamatory sentence expresses intense emotion often with emphasis and an exclamation mark. Converting declarative sentences into exclamatory. First one, the fireworks are so beautiful. Second, I'm so excited about the trip. Third, this book is absolutely fascinating. Distinguishing exclamatory and interrogative sentences. First one, exclamatory. Second, exclamatory. Third, interrogative. Analyzing exclamation mark rules concerning quoted speech. Rule 1. If an exclamation is within the quoted material, the exclamation mark should be placed inside the speech marks. Rule 2. When quoting an exclamation, place the exclamation mark inside the closing speech mark. Rule 3. When expressing emotion, surprise, or emphasis that includes a quote, place the exclamation mark after the closing speech mark. Evaluating the impact of exclamation marks. First, notifies neutral tone. Second, expresses excitement. Third, indicates overuse. Creating a creative piece using exclamation marks. Select a task appropriate to your level of understanding and demonstrate your knowledge of exclamation marks. That's it for now. Thanks for joining this journey into the world of exclamation marks. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Comment below with your questions and insights. Let's keep learning together.